Hey everyone, how y'all doing? So welcome to day 24 of my Vlogmas series where I'm trying to do a video every day in December, or at least until Christmas. And today I thought we'd take a look at this Kershaw 3-piece holiday pack. My wife actually got this for me. We kind of had our Christmas on Christmas Eve last night with the kids and the in-laws and the granddaughter, and yeah, so we basically got everything early this year. So tomorrow, all we have to do is go to dinner, enjoy some good food, and that'll be it. But yeah, thought we'd take a look at this. My wife bought this at Walmart. I believe I looked at them myself. They were like 25 bucks. So, if they still have them, they'll be going on sale probably right after Christmas. But yeah, 3-pack of knives, Kershaw's. And it's 2024 Promox. So that's the item number. They come with a limited lifetime warranty. You get a 2.85 inch knife, a 3-inch knife, and a 3.1 inch knife. They're all liner locks. They're all assisted opening, and they look pretty cool. And just looking at them, I'm digging this one with that kind of reverse tanto tip there. Look at the back. You got more description of all 3 knives, pictures, open and closed. So they're all 3CR13 steel. This one's black oxide coating. This one's bead blasted. That's black oxide coating. All 3 are assisted. All 3 are liner locks. The handles on all 3 are GFN, glass-filled nylon. They have, looks like all 3 have deep carry pocket clips. And this one here is reversible, left hand to right hand. You got Kershaw, Kai, USA, warning, California, and all that stuff. Limited lifetime warranty. Put it up so you can see it. There's the barcode. So yeah, I'm gonna attempt to get into this, and then we'll look at the knives. I guess I'll use my other Christmas knife, the Civivi Baby Banter fixed blade, which I am digging. I've been using this a lot since I got it a few days ago. Yeah, I might speed this up or skip over this part. I'll skip over if I end up cutting myself. Okay, put my Baby Banter away, pocket carrying it with an ulti clip. So here's the 3 knives. This one is the 2.85 inch knife, shorter. This one's a 3-inch, and this is a 3.1. They do not have names. That's all they call them. But let's check this one out. GFN handles, deep carry pocket clip, pretty deep. There's the number on there, 2024 Promo Kai, made in China. Pretty sharp. Lockup is good. Yep, assisted opening. So this one's got a flipper tab and thumb studs. Wow. There. Thumb studs are not easy to use. Flipper tab works good. And liner lock, like I said, lockup is good. Centering's off a little bit. That feels pretty good. Texture on that. Pretty comfortable. So put that up there. This one be the 3-inch one. Kinda reminds me of like my thistle with the K's on the handle, but it's not. Pretty good texturing to it. You're gonna deep carry pocket clip, liner lock, no play. This one is easier to get to the lock bar than the other one. Close it up. Centering on this is pretty good. This is a flipper tab only. Yeah, that rockets right out. It's got jimping up here that doesn't do much. This has no jimping. Boy, lightweight. Don't know how much these weigh. This is one I kind of like though. I like the blade shape, the design on the handle. Got some oil line. These deep carry pocket clip. That's really the deepest carry one here, and it's reversible, so that's nice. Comfortable in hand. There's a little side to side play here. Could tighten that up probably. Lock bar, easy access to it. Centering is right down the middle. So this has thumb studs and a flipper tab. Let's try the flipper tab. Obviously assisted opening, so that rockets right out. Got a little bit of jimping up here, which isn't too bad, but you only get on a little bit of it. Let's try the thumb studs. Yeah, the thumb studs are not in the right positions on these. I can't get a grip on the knife and do the thumb stud. There we go. So definitely the flipper's the way to go. Yeah, I like this one. All three of them are pretty neat. $25 for 3 lightweight knives. Now 3CR 13 MOV is not the best deal. You know, it's too bad they didn't go up to 8CR. Then I'd think that'd be a heck of a bargain. But 3CR, you know, what the heck? It's going to be easy to sharpen. You're just going to have to do it more often than with AUS 8 or 8CR, you know, which to me is, you know, 8CR and AUS 8 is probably the lowest that I can handle. I like. Some of my buck knives are 7CR. They're okay, but yeah, 3CR is not the best. Will not stay sharp forever for sure, but they're not hard to sharpen. And if I had a piece of paper, see how the edges. Okay, I got an index card. See how this one cuts. Not bad, not bad. Little fuzzies on there. Not too bad. How about this one? Little fuzzies, but boy, it cuts through that pretty nice. How about this one? Yeah, this one's probably the best out of the three. Not bad at all. Nice edges on them. The edge grinds are not too bad looking. Pretty even. This one goes straighter edge on it, so not too bad. This one is a hollow grind. This is a slight hollow. They're all hollow ground. Black oxide, bead blasted. Yeah, not too bad. So I guess that'll do it for these. You know, these definitely make a good gift for someone just getting into knives. Get three Kershaw knives for around 25 bucks. I don't think you can beat that. If you get one for gifts, yeah, man, these are good abuser knives. Great knives to just beat up, you know. You don't have to worry about ruining them because they're not that expensive. But yeah, guess that'll do it for this video. Day 24. And I don't know what exactly will be tomorrow's video on Christmas Day, but I should be able to get something up. And do the usual like, comment, subscribe if you haven't. And until next video, bye.